Assalamualaikum. Let's learn English grammar of standard 2. Children, let's learn about has and have. When, where and how is it used? Has and have show that something belongs to someone. Read these sentences. Raj has 2 books. Asha and Dev have 4 books. How do we know when to use has or have? Let's find out. We use has with singular nouns. Means the thing which is in singular, or the person, place or thing which is in singular, which is only one. We use has. And pronouns. Pronouns means he, she and it. With all these words, we use has. Few examples are given here. An elephant has 2 ears. It has a trunk. Rashi has a pink hairband. She has an orange water bottle. He has a green shirt. We use have with plural noun. That means more than one thing, animal, place or person. And pronoun you, we and they. Have is also used with singular nouns, that is I and you. You have to remember this. Example sentences. Elephants have 2 ears. Rashi and Hina have pink hairbands. We have a big garden. They have a pet. I have 2 brothers. You have a pretty umbrella. Rita, you is a singular noun, isn't it? But you have to always remember with I and you we use have. Kamla and Vimla, you have colorful kites. Let's do exercise first main. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. I have 2 eyes. She has a nice voice. She is a pronoun, singular pronoun, so we are using has. Remaining you can circle it carefully. Next main, complete these sentences with has or have. One is already done for you. Second one also I have done it for you. All birds. Birds are in plural. So I am writing have. So you have to look carefully which is plural and which is singular and then write accordingly. Next main, write sentences with has or have and the given words. Only 2 words are given. You have to carefully frame the sentence. Anita and pencil is given. So they have written Anita has a pencil. I have done second one for you. Seema and Hina 2 books. Seema and Hina, these are in plural. They are more than one. So we will write have. Seema and Hina have 2 books. Next we have negative sentences. Negative means no. When we say no, not, that is negative. To make negative sentences, we add not after do or does. Do with I, you and plural nouns and pronouns plus not plus have. We'll read example sentences, then we'll understand it better. I have red shoes. If we have to make it in negative sentences, we will write it as I do not have red shoes. When you usually speak, you say, I no have ma'am, I no have school uniform ma'am, isn't it? So, the correct sentence you have to use is, you have to first write do, then not, then have. I do not have red shoes. Next sentence, you have a violin. You do not have a violin. We have 10 storybooks. We do not have 10 storybooks. They have a lot of work. They do not have a lot of work. Another example, does. As I told, after not we add do or does. When should we add does? With a singular noun or noun, pronoun plus not plus have. We have to add these 2 words also after does. She has a green bag. Isn't it? It's a singular pronoun. She does not have a green bag. He has school tomorrow. He does not have school tomorrow. It has a red beak. It does not have a red beak. Now we'll go to the D main. Change these sentences to negative sentences. Write the beginning of these sentences. The last part of the sentence is written for you. It's already typed. You just have to write the beginning one. First and second is done. She has 3 books. She does not have 3 books. Look carefully when it is telling about has. In the question it has. But in answer we have to write have. Okay. You have to look carefully. We have a red car. We do not have a red car. He has a heavy cricket bat. He does not have a heavy cricket bat. Remaining you can write it by yourself. Now next questions. Questions begin with do or does. For I, you, plural nouns and pronouns, do we write it as, first we write do, then we add you or I, we, they, plus at last we write have. For singular nouns and pronouns we write does. Okay, does plus she, he, it, and at last we add have. We shall read few example sentences here. Do you have a watch? This is a question. Yes, I have a watch. This is a positive sentence. It says yes, I have. If it is negative, no, I do not have a watch. Next question is, does he have a blue jacket? Yes, he has a blue jacket. Or if it is negative, we say no, he does not have a blue jacket. Let's do the exercise E main. Read these questions. Complete the answer using do not or does not. First question is done for you, first and second. Do you have any eggs? No, I do not have any eggs. Does she have the red book? No, she does not have the red book. Does he have a red pen? No, he does not have a red pen. The same way you can write the remaining questions. Next, F main. Complete this passage with has or have. This is very easy. We have done in the first main, second main. You can write it. Thank you.